What's good, YouTube? It's your boy. Hey, are you retarded? Come here. Come here. Sit. Sit. Look how stupid that dog is. But it's your boy, King CeeLo, back at it again with another vlogmas. Well, I forgot something. AKA Chita Rails, back with a vlogmas number 2, day 2. And today we're putting up lights outside. And this dog is so stupid. Wish he shut up, but yeah. On my family shirt, I don't wear this out 3 times already this week. But yeah, it's been washed. So yeah, if y'all was wondering. So. But yeah, we're finna decorate outside. We got one more tree to put up. And then
Be quiet. Hey, be quiet.
but yeah, I'll catch you guys when we're done with this. Calm down. What? Alright, YouTube. It is cold out here, so show y'all the candy canes real quick. Can't show you the house, but I'll show y'all the candy canes. So yeah, as y'all can see, we have candy canes. And I did all of this. Except those right there. I was already up. So. Still not done yet. Alright guys, we're not done yet, but as you guys can see, definitely got some progress. So yeah, we gotta go to some Walmart to get some more light for and that dog won't shut up. I know he's annoying, but yeah, just bear with it.
Bruno, be quiet.
But yeah, guys, can't show you the house, but can only show you this part. And looks pretty nice. But yeah, I'll catch you guys at Walmart or the next part we're doing.
I said, shut up.
Daddy.
Be quiet. Hush. Be quiet. Be quiet.
Daddy, why you gotta do a dog like that?
Be quiet.
Hey, you
Be
hush.
quiet.
And you act like you ain't never seen it.
I said, be quiet. Be quiet.
Where he gonna go? So y'all, what is this? Part 3?
This part 2, day 2 vlogmas.
Oh, part 2 of
Day 2.
vlogmas.
Yeah.
Me. Well, day 2, you hear me? Yeah. Hey man, watch out.
Well, at least they met somebody new. You stupid. You're dumb, bro.
Quiet.
Yeah. So going back to the store, get some more candy canes, you know. So yeah, stay tuned.
Daddy, what you gotta say to the people?
Absolutely nothing.
Is the dog? What you gotta say about the dog?
He's a dog.
What? He's stupid?
Move, ignorant. Don't touch me. Thank you.
Be quiet. Be quiet. I said be quiet.
He talking back.
No.
Be quiet. You ain't gotta do all that damn barking.
Merry Dogmas, people. Merry Dogmas. Bruno has officially took over the vlog. So this is a dog vlog. Rhyming accidentally. Hey, sit. Sit. Show these people you got you're smart. Sit. I told you how to sit. Sit, boy. Sit. He is acting stupid because he on cameras. He camera shy. So yeah. Alright, y'all, got a mistake. We are actually have to, before we leave, we got to see my mom's reaction on this, my mama reaction on the lights and how she likes it. So, yeah, let's go see her right now. The door is locked. Open the door. They don't lock me outside my own house. Open the door. What? Where you at? You holler upstairs? Thank you. Don't lock me outside my own house. You did, obviously.
No, I didn't. Mama was talking on me.
Where mama at?
She's in there.
What, upstairs?
No, she's in there.
Oh, what I just did.
Oh.
So YouTube, we are not. Nah, I'm black. We are not going to Walmart today. Look at her. But yeah, we turn this off so I won't get copyrighted. I'm sorry. But yeah, we're just gonna go to Hardee's or whatever. But
Hardee's,
yeah,
boy.
that's pretty much it for today's vlog. I don't know if it was short or not, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog or whatever. So yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow for day 3 of Vlogmas.
See you later.
Subscribe if you would like.
Like.
Not gonna beg you guys to subscribe. Leave a like, please.
Yeah,
I take time to
and
edit
comment
my
down below
videos.
and subscribe. You know, yeah. And see you
Daddy, you not gonna say bye to him?
later. See you later.